Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers, and today we finally get to work in the Lotus. We're waiting for the rims to come in, and they're here. So let's go check those out. Let's go ahead and get this thing on the 2-post lift. That way we can get the wheels off and swap them, and then we'll be ready to do alignment, finish all the details on there. There's still a lot of trim pieces on there, still gotta clean it. There's still a lot of work to do, and the detail will take a lot of time, but hopefully it'll go together nicely. So let's get this thing lifted up and swap the wheels. And really quick, just had it cleaned up. Kind of tired of looking at all that Bondo dust inside, and what a transformation. Dang, this thing's definitely cleaned up nicely. And went ahead and took off the rims. So now this thing is sitting on the floor. It is very low, but hey, I think originally it's very low. Still a lot of little detail work to do on it. But let's go ahead and put on our new wheels. And man, I am excited. It's gonna look sick. Even when we took the clear bra off this car, the paint job looked beautiful. Definitely well taken care of. I mean, this whole thing was wrapped. Very low miles. Oh yeah, it's gonna be like a new car. But let's go ahead and check out the new wheels. So new wheels are coming, but I might as well have and put my little pieces back on. They are painted, but they're good and dry now, so might as well get that going. Man, it's looking good. A little dusty already, but we'll get that washed off, no problem. Let's go ahead and mount our pieces. All right, guys, out with the old and check out the new. Oh yeah, flow form, check these things out. Beautiful rims. I think it's gonna look awesome on the Lotus. So we're gonna go ahead and get the tires mounted. We're gonna get it balanced and get these things on there. After that, we'll do an alignment on it, make sure everything's good and straight. Looking good. So we got ourselves some sensors. I don't know if we need those or not. Special lug nuts, special key, make sure nobody steals our rims. But yeah, beautiful. So Ivan did choose these. Leave some comments down below if you like the wheels, if you'd rather have the stock wheels. I mean, I like it. I think it looks good, especially these are dirty and scratched up and banded, all that good stuff. So we definitely got some scuffs on the old ones, which is still, you know, fixable, but just easier to get some new wheels. Let's get them mounted, balanced, and installed. So before I get my gorgeous wheels on there, I have a great opportunity to go ahead and just clean it up in here. I mean, definitely dirty, dusty, all sorts of grime. Might as well wash it, clean it, get it all, you know, looking great, and put my new wheels on there. I have the opportunity, let's do it. Cleaned up, ready to go. New tires, new wheels. It's gonna look good. Dang guys, so bad news. The brake caliper is actually all over that rim right there. So either we need to put a spacer on there or figure out something else. No bueno. Man, I was excited to get an alignment done on it, wash it and hit the road. But always, you know, it's like this when you're putting on new wheels, you might have some issues. Barely, but that is all over it. Dang, we'll figure it out. Be nice to have spacers anyway. This side looks fine. Just the front side. So we're just gonna go ahead and take those front wheels off again and hopefully space it out. All right guys, there we go. Check out that gap. Get little spacers and we're good to go. Let's do the other side and hopefully go do alignment on this thing. All right guys, that is a lot of red right there. Man, we're gonna do our magic though and get this thing aligned. Wow, that's pretty bad. Let's do it. Progress, progress. Look at all that green, it's getting there. Still a little bit more to go. All right guys, so definitely a lot more green, at least our toe, our wheels are pointing straight. I say we go for a drive and test it out, let things settle, and then probably recheck it again. But not bad for now. Anybody am I right? I can't see nothing,
You're
dude.
good, you're good.
Fun little car. Woo! There's another one. Just kidding. Playing around. I don't know what you can do. Let's see. You gotta go uphill. It's fun. Fun little car for sure. It's a little toy. All right, guys. It's not bad for a little bit, you know. I don't want to rip it too much. Just playing around. First time in a Lotus. Woo! Pretty cool. Let's talk about it.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the good, the bad, and our little Lotus project build that we had. Honestly, it wasn't too bad compared to some of the builds we did, so pretty quick turnaround, I would say. You know, some fiberglass work, some body work, a little suspension work. Still working out the bugs on it, but hey, it's on the road, it's run and drive. It's got a little kick to it too. It sounds pretty good for a 4-cylinder. It's pretty crazy, that power to weight ratio. I'm still getting the hang of it kind of thing. You know, first time driving around, still need to, like I said, we'll go check the alignment again, make sure everything's secure, make sure everything's good. I heard a little rattling a little bit in the back, then it went away, so it could have been some dirt. You know, we were in the mud a little bit, but hey, it's definitely a fun car, definitely a head turner. I already drive by, people say, hey, so that's kind of fun. Got to adjust my mirrors. Visibility's kind of bad in the back. I really couldn't see behind me. I didn't know what was going on. Good thing it's got the reverse camera, so that's nice. Hit that going on. Yeah, I mean, you're on the floor, you feeling everything. Definitely feels like a sports car, especially when you're revving it up a little bit. A lot of fun, for sure. Great little go-kart. I like it. I think it looks great, honestly. Whew, be fun. We're still gonna, like I said, little touch-ups here and there, make sure everything's good, but overall, great car. So this 2006 Lotus Exige honestly turned out very clean. I like the whole style of it, the headlights and everything, the whole hood, rear engine. Man, but such a small little fun car to have, for sure. Is it a supercar? Is it an exotic? Some people say yes, some people say no, but it's definitely different and unique. You don't see this every day. But that basically wraps it up for our Lotus build. Leave some comments below. Do you like the rims? Do you like the color? Do you like this kind of build kind of thing? Or do you want to see more flooded vehicles? Not a problem, guys. They're still out there. So if you just say the word, we'll be down in Florida picking up some more builds. But hey, we do want to show that we do actually get our hands dirty. We do some physical labor and we restore cars, getting it saved from the junkyard or getting scrapped out. It's actually back in the road now. So a little bit going, and this thing's gonna be, you know, road worthy for sure. Still got our hardtop that we can put back on there. It's getting kind of cold, so that'd be nice too. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave some comments down below. We appreciate all your support. Stay tuned. We'll catch you next time.